So if you're thinking about getting this giant mouse pad, then this is my honest opinion, my honest review of it. So what I'm doing is I'm showing you here, what I really like about this is that, as you can see, it's massive. So this is a kind of MacBook extended keyboard with a numeric keyboard on the side as well. And they're pretty big, as you can see. This is a big keyboard and a gaming mouse, and they all fit on the same mouse pad. So like for reference, a standard keyboard size would be from here to the left. So you'd have so much space. And if I just kind of show you from above, it's a really nice key mouse pad. And I've had this for several months, like I said, and I have, there's a few little markings, stains, you spill things on it, drinks, food, and that kind of thing. But it's nothing that doesn't kind of rub off with a little bit of soap and a little cleaning cloth. Well, one thing to be aware of is basically that, it's a black mouse pad, so anything that you drop on it, any stains, might show up a little bit easier. But as I said, I use this daily for several hours a day, and I've had this for at least 6 months, and the only real markings that stay are kind of little things there, a few little marks here, but even these actually would probably scrub out if you cleaned it properly. So that's just something to be aware of. It's very, very comfortable. It's very durable. It does what it says on the tin. And so yeah, if you're looking for a big mouse pad that kind of doesn't have any crazy logos or colors, matches your design like mine, and is reliable, durable, then I highly recommend this mouse pad.